Hi guys, Dirty Adventure here. So I had this issue with my Kawasaki W650 where if you turn the steering handlebar, the oil pressure, low oil pressure light would flicker, diode would flicker. And so I disassembled, this harness here, this one that leads to the dashboard. And also, obviously, I had to disassemble the light. I'll cover that later. But the way they made the harness is actually not that good, not that reliable. Because look at this. Those are damaged. See that blue one? This one here? That's an open, right? That will short for sure. It will throw an arc if something else is open here. Damaged. Like let's look at this red one. The insulation is damaged. What else do we have here? Yeah, we have this salad looking one, and the green. Look at the green one. An arc can form easily here if those wires are bunched up like this. So especially when you turn the steering, this kind of goes like that, and the arc will form. And the spark will, the arc will flicker the lights. Yeah, so this is the cause, just damaged wires because of the wiring, the way the wiring harness is done. It's not good enough. So I'm gonna test this, and then basically insulate it using a regular tape, and then test it, and if everything works, then I will probably insulate it better, or maybe check here. This is horrible. Look at this. Look at that angle. I'm not surprised if from vibration and time there's going to be some problems here as well. So I will try to find out if I can deal with this somehow differently and avoid this 90-degree. Look at this. This is almost 90-degree. You can imagine what kind of condition the wires are there. So I'll have to improve this. But anyway, if you see something flickering, it's probably a short. And look at the manual, user repair manual. Actually, it will tell you all the electrical. It will explain what each wire does. So again, it's not super hard to open this up. Don't be afraid to do it. In this case, clearly, I found where the problem is, a broken wire. So I'll fix it quickly, and we'll see what happens. Okay, but I'm pretty sure it will work.